Hello students, now we are going to start the second part of the tissue. In a previous class we have studied about the various division of plant tissue that we have studied about meristematic tissue. Okay, it's apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. And we have studied the permanent part too, in which we have gone through with the simple permanent tissue, in which we have discussed about parenchyma and collenchyma. Now today we will discuss about sclerenchyma and the complex tissue, phloem and xylem. So let's start it. Now this is the structure of sclerenchyma cells. These cells are polygonal in outline and cells are elongated, three-dimensional appearance. So what is a sclerenchyma? Sclera means hard. These are dead cells. They devoid of protoplasm. You can see over here like this. Okay, they are devoid of protoplasm, and these cells have a thickened outermost substance present in over here. There is lignin. Lignin is the compound which makes sclerenchyma thick. These cells are considered as a lignified. So lignin is a complex polymer which acts as a cement and hardens the cell wall, due to which it provides the flexibility and great tensile and compressionable strength. Means high tensile strength they possess, due to which it provides the mechanical support to the system. Okay, so where they basically occurs, where they are found, occurrences, they are patches or definite layers. They are found in the roots, veins and leaves, basically around vascular tissue. Okay, you can see the structures very well. So they are found around the roots, stem and basically provide hard covering most of the ripe fruits and contributes hardness of the seed coat and nut cells. They are the responsible thing for it. Okay, so this is the structure lignified. Clearly the presence of lignin is clearly visible in the structure. Various kinds of cells are there. So sclerenchyma is a dead cells and having fiber, due to which they provide the mechanical support. Okay, now coming to the next, we have a difference between collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So collenchyma, it is a living cells, while sclerenchyma are dead cells. Cell contains cytoplasm and these cells are empty. Okay, and in collenchyma cell walls are cellulosic, means cellulose is present, while in sclerenchyma they are having lignified cells. Okay, lignin is present, so they are lignified, while collenchyma, the thickening of the cell wall is not uniform, means they are not symmetrical, they are not similar, but in this thickness is uniform, means equivalent to everything. Okay, lumen of the cell is wide. In this, the center part which consists of lumen is wider, while in a sclerenchyma it's narrower in nature. Okay, and it provides mechanical support and elasticity to the plant. Collenchyma always provide mechanical support and elasticity to the plant, while chief purpose of sclerenchyma is to provide mechanical tissue. So this is the difference between collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Now let's move into the complex permanent tissue. Here you can see xylem and phloem, both are together and their tube-like structure is being quite similar, clear to you in the colored picture. As I had told you, xylem and phloem both are made up of 4 different types of shells, and that's why they are considered as a complex tissue. So let's first discuss about xylem. As you can see, xylem area, the layers are quite different. So let's discuss about the xylem. Okay, so this is the xylem cells which are present in the xylem. So first is xylem element is there, the figure is given in front of you. B is a tracheids. Okay, these are tracheids. Look, this is xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma. 4 types of cells are there which are present into the we can say contribute for the formation of xylem. Okay, as xylem means wood, so it is a vascular and mechanical tissue. It consists of 4 elements that I have told you: the vessel, xylem tracheids, okay, and xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber. These are the 4 substances which are present by which xylem is made up of. They are responsible for the translocation of water. Now in the xylem vessel, the figure itself you will see they are the porous end walls, okay, and and having pits due to which the translocation of water takes place through this only. So these are the water pipe vessels are very long tube like structure formed by a row of cells placed end to end one upon another, that is known as end to end, and transverse walls, while tracheids are elongated cells with tapering ends. Tracheids, you can see tapering ends means thin ends. They also conduct water. Since tracheids do not have any opening, tracheids they are not having opening, so water is not conducted. So water is only conducted by the vessels. While xylem parenchyma stores food and help in the later conduction of water. Xylem parenchyma it stores food in the form of vacuoles and helps in the conduction of water. So the main function of xylem is to conduct water and minerals. Okay. And as tracheids, vessels, and parenchyma of xylem are lignified, they also do have lignin. So they are lignified in the nature, so they also provide the mechanical support. Okay, now come to the phloem. Now this is the LS of phloem tissue. In this you will find sieve tube is there on the upper part of the cell. Sieve tube is there, phloem parenchyma is there, plastids is visible over there, sieve tube elements is there, companion cell is there, phloem protein means there are 4 elements by which phloem is being made, or it is formed of 4 elements. So there those 4 elements are, first is sieve tube, second is companion cells, then phloem parenchyma, and then phloem fiber. So basically there are 4 elements due to by which they are made up of xylem. They are all are visible in the figure, you can see easily. Now sieve tube, they are cylindrical tube like structure and having thin wall placed one end to another. The first that is labeled as sieve tube, this structure is placed one on the other. Okay, they are have a number of pores into it, due to which they become perforated and they pass the component from one end to another. Okay, then comes the companion cell. They are thin walled and contains dense and very active cytoplasm. Companion cell is mentioned over there and consists of very thin cytoplasm into it, and it connects the sieve tube with a numerous plasmodemata. Means basically they connects each other with a number of plasmodemata. They are the kind of tube element, and in this nucleus is absent. Okay, so next is that phloem parenchyma. As the word parenchyma, they are thick wall, they will store food, living cell. Parenchyma is also living cells, and they have 2 functions: storage of food and low lateral conduction of food. Means literally the conduction of food becomes less. Okay, now the phloem fibers, or we can say bast fibers too. So these are the kind of thick walled, elongated, bit spindle shaped dead cells. Generally they are provide mechanical strength to the tissue. Bast fibers obtained from some plants such as jute, hemp and flax, they are of commercial purpose. So this is all about phloem as well. So I hope you have understood regarding the collenchyma, that differences, and xylem and phloem as well. So do prepare the notes of it. Okay, now this is all for the day. Thank you very much.